guys, welcome once again. So we'll be designing another certificate today, but today we will not be throwing away these details. So as we will not be throwing away these details as they are very important, so we'll only be using them. We'll be using all these details. So guys, we're not throwing away anything here. Only thing we're going to change here is the design. So let's change everything to white, and then we start bringing in shapes. So first of all, we bring in the rectangular shape. Okay, oh, where are you? The background, so we can forget about what is counting in the middle, just focus on whatever. So we pick it up, pick the rectangular shape, and then we'll make it like this. So we rotate it, and then we're going to make it 40, right? 35. I'm okay with 35, so I'm okay with 35. Okay, this is not nice. Okay, let's turn it back to 0, and then make it like this, so we can rotate it to 35. Okay, so we can make it 35, and then send it to back. First of all, send it to back, and then make it that fainted color. Add it here again, send it to back. Alright, so any shape we send to back, it means it's free to be locked. This one, no. This one we duplicate before we lock it. So we click on lock. So now we take the duplicate. And then we return it. Oh no. So we put it here, and then we change the color to something like this. Something like this, and then we duplicate, we take it to this place, and then we give it, okay, should be like this. So we can put it here. This one is big, so we can put it, we can give it something like this. Okay, and then we bring in another one, and then we make it light. And then we give it this. Okay, so we use it there, and then we turn it 35, and then we put it here. We put it there, and then let's make it like this. I think I prefer it that way. So up here, I think we can, oh, let's use this. Let's use this. Okay, let's use this. And make it this. No, I don't like that. So this one, I'm deleting this one. So now I'm deleting this ones. Send to front and then put it that side so that we can this one we delete it, and then this one we change it to we add of here. Remember, we're changing design. So we say certificate of achievement. So we say proudly presented to okay. For His Excellence. For His excellent performance at our this one, hold on. $125. Okay, so pick this. So this is going with this, and then this is going with this, and then this is going with this. So, what else? Awards. Okay, we need something perfect. Where do we get one? Let's use this one. Let's use this one. We're going to use gradient fill. Okay, so this one we're going to select. When you select when you import a tool, at the top here you can see any tool you want to, the colors of that particular shape you imported. You understand? So this one we're going to use gradient, and we're going to load gradients and use this one. Okay, it's not bright enough. Let's add one color, and then we change it. We take it to this place, and then it that way. And then we change this one. Just apply this automatic, and then this, apply this, and then change how it looks. You can get what we want. Then another one here is this. So this we can also change it to what exactly? Let's see. Can this work out? So if we are using this, we have to add another shape here. So you add up this. I think we need an over shape, because I'm not liking that. So we need an over shape. Okay. That can stand in the middle of that and give us something really nice. So we'll change it to that. So with this we can, now let's change it to this color. So with this we can now write awards 2022. Take it to front and change it to impact. Change it to impact. Change it to white. Okay, 2021. Change it center. And then take it closer. And then make it like this. Not liking all these fonts. Okay, let's use this. Yeah, I think finally I like one here. So we say align center. Good. So guys, that's how to design a certificate with your phone, and this is sample 2. But I think we can add on overall something that will make this better, which is a borderline. You know, sometimes I like things, but then how about if we have what can make this thing stand out much more? So let's check. Now we go to fill. How do we make this outline? That's another thing. So what we need to do is, you remember this thing always have empty places. So we go to pictures, and then that's our texture. We want to add some textures to it, so the texture should be an empty place. So we go to where we remove a background. Where you're seeing dark here, it means this graphic has nothing, it's just an empty background. So we click on it, and then we click OK. So you can see the background has been removed. So what we need to do is to click next. This is outline, and then we add an outline. So at this outline, as we have added it, you simply change the color from here and then click to eyedropper. From the eyedropper tool, we are going to click gold, okay, because we want to use gold. We click okay. So I think this looks better than what we had before. So I like this more than what we had before. So our certificate is done and dusted. Thank you guys and have a nice time. Follow me on Instagram at TCH. Comment, like and share my videos on YouTube at Joseph Green. Thank you.